Oh my God. Oh. It's very muddy here. I nearly slipped. Oh my gosh! Again! Oh God.
Everywhere.
This part is much better.
Mommy, just take a bit of mud everywhere.
Still going. There's a beautiful mountain over there though. Are we there yet? Or are we having a break? Are we taking a break? Are we there yet? Cars? Are we there yet?
We're like 3/4 of the way.
3/4 of the way?
Yeah, 3/4.
So this is a break.
Guys, look how fast it is.
Behind these trees.
Behind which trees? These trees?
Once I put this down, it's going to go flying.
I'm just having a break to wait for you. Look, Jasper thinks he's going in.
Oh, I got stuck.
Look, Emerald. He says he has to do the same thing as Topaz.
Guys, I'm going to put this in and
Yes,
it's going to go.
I got it.
I'm going to put it in and it's going to go flying. Look. It's not going to go flying, see? Safe. That's safe. That's not safe.
So I'm going to dip my feet in there.
Emerald?
Yes?
Remember when we accidentally went up to the top?
Yeah?
And then it rained that whole time?
Yeah.
The next day we came back, the water level was above this grass.
Really?
I could just step in the water.
You remember the next day we came back and the whole water level had
Yeah.
and I walked up here on my own.
Yes, you did.
Guys are too difficult for me to walk.
Man.
Okay, just carry on.
Can I dip my feet in the water before we carry on, please?
Okay.
Yeah. So if I put the stick in the water, it's going to go flying. Look, look, look. Look at it. It's not stuck. Like, it's not flying. But if I put it like over here, then it's not going to go flying. It's just going to slowly go. Mommy, you should make a video.
Mommy, he's trying to go. Mommy!
Ow, my wrist.
Can I hold him?
On my wrist in the back, I'm hurting everything. So even holding him like this hurts so much.
Take us from there. Don't stand there, just take us from there. Guys, we're still going. All this time, we're still going.
Come up here, there's a perfect view.
Look over there.
Step there, it's not that bad, and then jump
Which
across
one?
to this bush. Step there,
Yeah.
and then jump across to this bush.
Oh my gosh.
It's not as bad as it looks.
Okay, you're right. Thanks.
Can you see that blue outline?
Oh my gosh. I nearly slipped.
Over there? Can you hear it?
Oh.
Oh, you want to go the long way round?
Why?
Guys, we're going to go the long way round.
Why are we going the long way round?
Look around the top and then back. There's the waterfall. You can go that way, but that way's a bit muddy.
So we want to go the long way round. Finally, we are here on top of the waterfall. So we're going to swim on top of the waterfall here. We're not going down here, I think we're going to be on top, swim a bit, and then when we're coming out, the first waterfall that you saw, we're going to go there and do some jumping as well. I hope my battery doesn't go off so we can see everything. But you know what was difficult to get here? At my side, not them. They had fun coming. I didn't have fun at all. I felt like it was too much. But I'm going to swim. It's worth coming. It's worth it. So we're on top of the waterfall. Oh God! That's everyone. It goes down to where I think I showed you when we were coming from downstairs. When we're coming from down, I think I showed you. Here I am.
Otherwise, you're all scared that you're in trouble. So you know that when we hear your whistle blowing, are you cold? Yeah. I'm not cold at all.
I'm gonna do that cold thing. No.
Mommy, look at me.
Oh.
Emerald, what would happen if you just forgot, like, what would happen?
No, don't, please. Are you cold? The water, I'm not gonna lie, the water is so cold. It's freezing cold.
I should have went somewhere.
Jet, don't follow your dad, please. Come back here.
Jet, is it warm? Sorry. I'm trying to take some dust here, I can't. No, I'm not going snorkeling. I don't have all of the gear.
Are you cold?
I'm going to have a cool one. Oh God, it's all I need. It's fine. That was so cool. Because Kai, your house is over here. Kai, I can't see the fish. Kai, come here. I can see the fish. Kai, look at me. You're Kaya. If you look at me, then you know that your life jacket's going to work. Yeah? You can't ride with that. I want to show you that the life jacket didn't work.
This is how high up we are. Yes.
Everyone's going to the grass area.
Yes.
We'll eat our snacks.
Yeah. Guys, look at my daughter. So brave. She walked all the way from up there, top of the waterfalls, all the way down here. My heart was beating. I was just scared that she's gonna slip down. Are you coming up again? Why are you coming up? We're going back down to the second waterfalls. And I think we'll have like a snack first and go back in the water again. Well, we have to make good use of the sun. Yesterday was very, very horrible weather. We had a very horrible weather yesterday, so we have to make good use of the weather. Honestly, although I get grumpy when we come to these kind of places, it's of the hard work, physical hard work. I typically like it too, because to be honest, how many times do we come to such places on a daily basis? So, although I get grumpy and all, this is hard work, honestly. I get grumpy, but typically I like it, especially when we get to our destination. It's not the journey itself, it's the destination. Yeah. The children love it. It's like crazy. I'm the only person who's against it, and everyone are for it. So I lose all the time, and I have to join in. But yeah, after I join in, I really enjoy it. Oh, which way? Okay, that way. We go this way. Oh God. So here you can't swim here. I don't think. Oh well, I think some people can swim here. I haven't seen anyone swim here before, but I think I can see some children and their parents, some family going down to swim there. So we're going to where this one falls in for a second dip. I'll show you when we get there. We're almost there. Anyway. Oh guys, look. I'm standing right close to this thing and I'm feeling the heebie-jeebie. Guys, do you remember when we were coming, when we were climbing up the first time, when I said this is the waterfalls, but we're going to the first one and coming back to this one. So this is the second one. Change of plan now. I'm going to be with the little ones down from the beginning, and the older ones are going to be here. It's a shame I will not get a footage of them. They usually climb to that rock over there and then they jump in. That's what they do. And I wanted to show you guys, but maybe another time because we've changed our plan. We are going down to the other side, the beginning of the river. Actually, that's not the beginning of the river, but I mean the shallow end where the children can play, the baby ones can play. And guys, we are back down where we first started. I'm feeling peckish. I'm sure everyone is feeling the same way, but we're just snacking. We're getting in the water again, so we need to find somewhere to picnic. We found a really nice sunny spot. Woo! Better.
I think we should probably move Opal
to a sunny area.
Yeah. In a second, Opal's just sitting on it.
Do you like it? Is it nice? Which flavor did you try? Which flavor did you try?
Caramel and strawberry.
Oh. Guys, there've been change of plan. They're not going back to the second waterfall anymore because one of my children is not feeling well. Due to yesterday was very cold and very windy, and we spent too much time outside. I think she's got something. So we're not going. We're just going to stay here. The little ones on their dad are in that tiny water over there, fishing and swimming at the same time in the water. And we are here. We finished eating and I'm having a cup of tea. I'm going to be here with my older daughter and my youngest son, baby. And that's it really. I'm going to end the vlog here because there's nothing else going on anymore. I think this evening we are going to have Chinese maybe, and then do some bonfire nights and roast some marshmallows. Go to bed maybe that's what we're gonna do, or plans might change, but I think that's what we have for now. The plan is spend some more time here in the sun. Then yeah, there he is, he's coming. We end our video for today. Don't forget to subscribe. Share, comment, and like, yes. And we'll see you back in the next video. Abananye.